Okay, here's my video for bowling success. First, I am a great bowler. That is as true can be. I am a consistent bowler. I focus on my mark or target to hit before I reach the approach. I focus on my target when I am in the ready position. I focus on my target as I am about to release the ball. I focus on my target while I am releasing the ball. I keep my body straight like I'm walking through a narrow hallway. I take my steps with a great rhythm. I let go of the ball at the right time and with a wonderful glide. Some call it easy glide. Some call it astro glide. I call it successful glide and a wonderful glide. I keep in mind my success of rolling a strike. I keep in mind my success when I need to convert a spare successfully. I say, so what, now what, all the time. I am able to keep a happy demeanor when I am not bowling. And even to build on that, after my shot, I still keep a happy demeanor. And so what, now what, whenever necessary. I stay level headed throughout every game and calm, and I practice breathing to keep myself calm. I have fun from beginning to end. That's why I'm there. I play loosely and in a relaxed manner. I am certainly capable of a 300. And just think about the great moment and the great moments along the way of getting a 300 and getting everyone excited and being a cool customer. Again, playing loosely and in a relaxed manner. And I take each shot individually since that's all I can do. And lastly, most importantly, I am ready. I said, I am ready. So, let's get ready to strike it. Yeah.